Welcome. Today we are going to solve a logistic regression decision problem using a simple three-step recipe. Step 1 is computing the score z. Using our formula, we find that for x equals 1, z is negative 0.2. For x equals 2, z is 0.6. And for x equals 3, it's 1.4. Next, we apply the sigmoid function to convert these scores into probabilities between 0 and 1. Assume we have received the following scores yielding probabilities of approximately 0.450, 0.646, and 0.802. In step 3, we classify. Using a threshold of 0.5, our first probability becomes class 0, while the others are class 1. Here is our final data table showing how each input was transformed into a definitive decision. Remember, logistic regression doesn't directly predict the class, it predicts the probability, then converts it. Let's get started. For example, a company wants to predict whether a customer will purchase a product. 1 equal to yes, 0 equal to no, based on a simple model. 1. Compute the values of phi for each input and complete the table using linear equation z equal to 0.8x minus 1. 2. Then apply the sigmoid function to calculate the probability of purchase for each case. 3. Finally, using a threshold of 0.5, determine whether each customer will purchase the product or not. Classify as 0 or 1, and briefly explain how logistic regression helps in making such binary decisions. Let's walk through this step by step. We are given a simple equation. Z equals 0.8 times x minus 1. Step 1. Calculate z. First, we calculate the value of z for different values of x. When x equals 1, z becomes 0.8 times 1 minus 1, which equals negative 0.2. When x equals 2, z becomes 0.8 times 2 minus 1, which equals 0.6. When x equals 3, z becomes 0.8 times 3 minus 1, which equals 1.4. Step 2. Apply the sigmoid function. Now we convert these values into probabilities using the sigmoid function. For z equals negative 0.2, the probability is approximately 0.45. For z equals 0.6, the probability is approximately 0.65. For z equals 1.4, the probability is approximately 0.80. Step 3. Make predictions. Now we classify the results using a threshold of 0.5. If the probability is less than 0.5, we predict class 0, meaning no purchase. If it is greater than or equal to 0.5, we predict class 1, meaning purchase. So, for x is equal to 1, 0.45, class 0. For x is equal to 2, 0.65, class 1. For x is equal to 3, 0.80, class 1. S final summary. For x equals 1, no purchase. For x equals 2, purchase. For x equals 3, purchase. This is how logistic regression turns simple calculations into real-world decisions. Thanks for watching.